Every morning, you plug in your charger, plug in the HDMI, plug in your keyboard, plug in your mouse, plug in the Ethernet. You are wasting so much time. Think about that. Think about what I just said. Do you seriously wake up every morning and you plug in every single one of your cords one by one? Not only are you wasting time, your desk looks messy. Your desk looks terrible. A docking station is going to turn your laptop into a full workstation with one cable. And today, I'm breaking down the best docking stations for Mac users, Windows users, budget setups, and full workstation builds. But before we get into it, let's talk about why docking stations matter. Now, if your company, your office, wherever you work or do all of your stuff at, if you don't have a docking station, what are you doing? Modern laptops have 2 to 3 ports max, mostly USB-C, rarely Ethernet, and limited display outputs. A dock is instantly going to give you multiple monitor outputs, Ethernet, USB-A connections for all your older cables, SD cards, and charging pass-through. One plug, full setup. Alright, with that being said, let's get right into it. Coming in first is the Anker 555 USB-C hub. Now this baby is packed in an HDMI, a USB-A, Ethernet, SD and micro SD converters, and a 100-watt power pass-through. So your computer's still going to charge while you have it plugged in, as well as all the other functions that you're running. This is going to be perfect for your single external monitor setups, your remote workers, your students, and anyone that kind of falls into the category of solo dolo production. This is your sweet spot. This is what you're looking for. Very reliable brand. I've stood by Anker for a long time. I love their products. It doesn't overheat like some of the cheaper ones, and it is very, very portable, guys. If you're looking to start off with something nice, definitely check out this one. Number 2, best mid-range dock. We're giving it to the CalDigit TS3 Plus. Now, by first glance, I'm sure a lot of you guys are thinking, wow, that is really overkill. That is kind of extra. But this thing is serious. This thing is for serious users. If you are actually doing some serious work, you want to check this one out. There's 15 ports, dual monitor support, 87-watt charging, Thunderbolt 3 capability, and it's extremely stable. This thing is the biggest and baddest thing on the market for the price. Just take a look at some of those pictures, man. It looks like a tank. It's going to be for your MacBook Pro users, creators, editors, dual 4K setups, developers, coders. It's expensive, yes, but it is very, very powerful, and you get what you pay for. All right, let's keep going. Best Windows workstation dock. We are giving it to the Dell WD-19S docking station. If you run Dell laptop, Windows workstations, or even corporate setups, this thing is elite, man. Multiple display outputs, Ethernet, power delivery, enterprise-grade stability. Corporate offices use this for a reason. All right, coming in to the final picks. If you're a student, you have a simpler setup, you're not looking for too much, but you wake up in the morning and it's really annoying to plug in every single one of those cords, check out Anker. You will not be disappointed. Mac power users. So if you are on any sort of Mac or Apple device, the Mac desktop, MacBook, MacBook Pro, MacBook Mini, the new shit that they're coming out with, CalDigit is a beast, man. This thing, I swear it's like these guys were meant for each other the way it's designed. It works so well, and with the limit of ports that you have on your Mac, you will never tweak about it again. CalDigit, check it out. And for our Windows workstation, Dell WD-19S. This thing is all around a beauty. This thing is so good, and it's so powerful, and it delivers the same amount of performance needed for all Windows devices. You will not be upset. Check this one out. Stop unplugging 7 cables, guys. Stop. One cable, clean desk, professional setup. Keep it simple. Keep it nice. Keep it fresh. Guys, thank you so much for watching. We're coming back harder next week. I appreciate all the support. Thank you again.